Hi everybody, I'm Lisa Buskey. I am your Epicure Ambassador, and thank you for following Keeping It Real Cooking with Lisa. And if you have not followed me yet, what are you waiting for? All right, I just want to show you a quick, easy prep for 4 days of breakfast. And it can be done in just a few minutes. So I have my round steamer. I'm going to take my lid off. 1.5 cups of oats. Okay. 3 cups of water. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of my maple kettle popcorn seasoning. And mine is old. It is available now for a limited time offer, but mine is from the last batch. Okay. And voila, we're just going to stir that together with some syrup. And you can put in as much, the recipe calls for 3 tablespoons. But if you're watching your sugar, do what you need. And I mean, you probably could do this with honey too. And then I'm going to add, just because I can, I'm going to add a little apple pie spice also. Okay. Then we're going to put the lid on. All right. Uncovered, no lid. And we're going to put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And our oatmeal is done. I'm going to take that out, grabbing the handles. It will be hot, so be careful. I'm going to stir it. And it is a little soupy, and that's okay, because you're going to be reheating it again. All right. So what I like to do, if you do canning, you might have these canning jars. I'm just putting mine right into the canning jars. Okay. And this makes less mess. It's not messy less, but it makes less of a mess. My first scoop was not full. Okay. So I'm short 1 jar. Let me grab 1 and 5. So this one, I'll just pour it right in. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is I'm going to add some hemp hearts. Okay, and that's just 1/2 tablespoon. And chia seeds. All right. And then we're just going to put our lids on. And we have breakfast for 4 days this week. And then you can serve with fruit if you would like. But boom, we have breakfast for 4 days, and I had a little extra. I probably didn't measure my water right. Oatmeal, that easy. 5 minutes. I got breakfast for 4 days this week. What do you think?